Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Jen, Drinking with Gina. Today you're going to be cooking with Jen. So I've decided today I'm going to be making a spicy, cheesy creamed corn. It's delicious. Don't worry for those who don't like spice, it's not that spicy. It just has a nice undertone of a jalapeno flavor. You will love it. It's delicious. Also, it's a great dish to be making on the side for any main course you're making. It's great to take to parties. You will love it. You will be the hit. So let's get to those ingredients. Canned corn, diced green chilies and diced jalapeños, milk, butter, cream cheese, and garlic salt. Okay, so to begin, we're going to grab a pan or a pot. Set your stove to low heat. We're going to throw our first 4 ingredients in, which is going to be our butter, our cream cheese, our milk, and our garlic salt. Let's get started. Alright, so let's begin by using 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Then I'll be adding in 1/4 cup of butter. And now I'll be adding in a 1/2 cup of milk. Right now I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Go ahead with a spoon and just go ahead and stir that together while it melts. Next, you can add in 4 12-ounce cans of corn. Make sure to drain them first. After you blend that together, we're going to start adding in our cans of green chili. I'm going to be using 2 7-ounce cans. Make sure to drain them, along with 1 4-ounce can of your diced jalapeños. The colors look so good together. Okay, so that looks great. Smells so good, you guys. I love it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer our corn mix into a dish, and then we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. So let's get that put in that dish. Yay! This looks so good. I'm so excited. Always excited to eat food. It's very hot, so I'm going to be careful and blow on it, but this is my favorite part to have is taste time. Yay! All right. It's perfect. Perfect blend of spice, but not too spicy. For those who don't want it spicy, you can leave out the jalapenos, but it's not that bad. You guys are gonna love it. It's delicious. I will have a description with all the ingredients linked below. Go ahead and also like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and families. If you guys want, head over to Facebook and Instagram and check out the Jen and Gina show. If you guys make this recipe, take pictures, tag us in it, tell us what you think. We would love to hear all the feedback in your comments. Can't wait. Don't forget to check out my next video, guys. See you soon. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay. Just click the button right here. See you guys soon.